Happy Asynchronous Friday. Today for ELA, we are going to be practicing using homophones again. So before we get started, let's read our goal together. It says, I will match each homophone to its picture and meaning. So remember earlier this week, we learned about homophones. And we said that homophones are words that sound exactly the same, but they are spelled differently and they mean different things. They were so tricky. Do you remember those jokes that you said to your classmates? Can I tell you one of those jokes again? Okay, here it is. What does a monster with one eye write on his Valentine's card? I love you. Get it? Because it's like, I love you, but also because the monster has one eye. The word I and the word I sound exactly the same, but they are spelled completely differently and they mean two different things. So this is what you are going to be working on today. So in this first worksheet, you are going to cut, match, and paste. And the directions say, cut the words at the bottom of the page. Then paste them to match the pictures. So since we are working with homophones, this can get a little bit tricky, but I want you to try your best, okay? So the first picture is a picture of flour. And flour is that white powder that you use when you're going to bake cookies or bake a cake. So flour. Look at the words at the bottom of the worksheet and try to find out which homophone matches that picture. The next worksheet is also a cut and paste, but this time you are matching the homophones to the definition or the meaning of each word. So, for example, the first word is weak. I worked so hard and now my arms feel weak. So, look at the bottom of the worksheet and try to find the meaning or the definition of the word weak. And you're going to cut it and paste it next to the word weak. Then for the last worksheet, you are going to be filling in some sentences that are missing words. So it says, color the homophone that completes each sentence, then write it in the blank. So the first sentence says, I want to my red dress. So you've got the option of using the word wear or where. You need to decide which is the right homophone that is going to complete that sentence. I know it seems like a lot of work, but trust me, it's easy peasy. You know how to work with homophones. Don't let them trick you, okay? So the next thing that you are going to do after you are done with those 3 worksheets is you are going to get your ELA notebook and you are going to write sentences with each of these homophones. So the first homophone is night and night. So write a sentence with each of those words. The next homophone is see and see. Then write sentences with those homophones. And lastly, write sentences with the homophone 8 and 8. All right, my friends, after you are done with that, as always, practice your spelling words. But this time, you get to practice your spelling words using Spelling City. You used to use Spelling City back in 1st grade, so I hope you're excited that you get to use it this year again to practice your spelling words. That's it for ELA, my friends. Bye.